Hello everyone, my name is Esther Richidella, and today I'm just gonna give you all the tutorial about how to use my website and what my website really is. So before we go into what my website really is about and what it contains, I'm just gonna give you a brief introduction about what supply chain really is. Supply chain is basically a process in a business that involves multiple factors. Some factors are, for example, procurement, logistics, transportation. There's also sourcing, and these are all processes in a business that are extremely important and needed for a business to supply their products to their customers, to generate revenue, and to fulfill their ultimate goals, which generally would be generating a profit. And this video will also all be a tutorial about how to use my website and get through it, as I will be posting regular blog updates on how AI integration into supply chain can ultimately help our supply chain industry, and honestly, helping our supply chain industry in the end of the day is going to help us in general. So before we go to that, I'm just going to give you this is like, if you scroll down at my website, you'll see that you'll find 3 different things, and these are just the brief explanations on why supply chain is important. I won't go too much in depth to it, so you guys can just look at it yourself. But we have global connectivity, we have innovation, tech integration, and impact on everyday life, because supply chain does impact our everyday life. And this website's main purpose is just to show that AI can help and will help our everyday lives and the supply chain industry as a whole. So this is just, as we scroll down, there's like more content, and I will be regularly updating more content to make it more visually appealing with you guys. As you can see, this picture is just about a robot or an AI just organizing a business, looking at the pie charts, looking at transportation, looking at generate revenues, and it's just an example of my entire website. This is a perfect image to explain how my website is going to help the industry as a whole, and that's just a quote that I found that really resonated with me. And now on to the important parts to the whole presentation, would generally be my blog posts. So far I have 2 blog posts that just generalize how AI integration supply chain can help. We're just going to briefly go over them. So AI used in business, I just wrote a brief explanation about how different ways can AI be used. These examples are basically what companies are doing right now that are affecting them. These are all successful companies that all have billion-dollar revenues, and it's just an example of how they're using it. How they're in the market and they're advancing in the market. They're using the market's technologies, and AI is just an example of that. And this is just the image. It's really important that my website have a lot of images, so you guys just not only look at words, but you guys have a clear time on really understanding my website's really goals and topic, right? This image basically shows the most important benefit that AI should provide in business. And if you click that, you're just going to go back to the main page and learn more. We'll take you to the about page, and then now we're going to go to the AI tools for optimization. And there's multiple AI tools, and one of them just being machine learning. Like I've said, I put an image there. I'm just going to zoom in for you guys to really look at what machine learning really is. Machine learning is basically an AI tool for optimization that will help companies to optimize their inventory lines or optimize their product, customer analysis, and so on. And it can really give analysis, like regression is a type of analysis. We can look at customer retention. We can look at big data visualization. We can learn more tasks. We can find skills, game AI, real-time decisions. And this is just an example and an image. So to be honest, that's just a brief overview of my website and my tutorial of my website. I'll be always like doing regular blog posts, so my users, my target audience is basically business professionals, those who are interested in supply chain, and those who want to use supply chain in their business to optimize and just get efficiency used. That's my target audience. I'll be regularly posting. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial, for using my website. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much again.